Good morning guys, in front of me is Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max and let me show you how to apply Pride Wallpaper. So at first open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper, click on Add New Wallpaper, scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice Pride Wallpaper. As you can see, those wallpapers are designed with the colors of the Pride flag to celebrate LGBTQ plus community. So let me pick, for example, this one. And then you can manage the fonts if you want to change them. Also the colors. And then you can add some widgets if you want. Tap on Add. And then set it as a wallpaper pair, or you can also customize home screen separately. But I would like to set it on both. And that's it. As you can see, Pride Wallpaper is on both home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.